With the students now having access to Connect, it's important we can see what they can see. This is the same view that parents will see. Currently, only students have access. So we have a look through here. Here we have a program. This is the Applied Information Technology. I'm in the cover page here. You can see when I open up the Connect overview, this is what we have in here. I have my syllabus and my student outline. If I come over here, this is the Connect page. So this is the parent view, but it's identical to the student view. If I come into the course and choose Applied Information Technology, this is what it looks like. So you can see here, Applied Information Technology syllabus is shown here. And if you come into the Connect preview for the staff member, you can see they look the same. So the student and the teacher will see the same as what you see in this view here. The cover page where we add it and set it, but the Connect preview is where we can see what the students see. Now, if I start having a look at the actual assessments, I'm going to apply information technology here, we can see a couple of things. There's 2 assessment items that have been marked, and there's 1 assessment item coming up, or that is recently just had. So if I come into the overview assessments, for that to happen, you'll notice in my assessments here, these 3 tasks are all visible. 2 have been set as marked, so they are the 2 that are here. The date set, 19th of February and the 6th of March, have both passed and marks have been entered. So if I go to the marks book for this page, you can see here and here, the first one was a test, and this particular student here got 88.9% in the test. You can see down here, the student, that was what they got in the test. The second one is the hardware computer specifications. And here we can see the hardware computer specifications divided into 4 sections. And each section had some marks. And as I hover over here, you can see some comments were put in. So when I was entering the mark, I simply typed in a comment into the Connect annotation. What that means is that in here, when I look at the student view or the parent view, I can see this here. There's a tiny little icon just here. But if I click on it, it expands out. It shows me all the 4 components, what marks I got out of each one, and the comments that were put in. And also, you can see that the assessment was electronically submitted. So it is here in my marks book. So I can check it anytime I want, and I have it for later moderation. In order to do that, if we go back to have a look at the assessment, you can see here the Task 3 Principles and Elements of Design, Task 3 Design Concepts. It has a document attached to it. So if I click on that, that is the actual marking key and assessment outline. But if I come back here and go into the course setup, so I'm looking at overview of assessments, and we come into the principles, elements of design. In order to enable electronic submission, all I need to do is click this button here, and the student will be able to electronically submit it.